Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you BCS class, and students, our today's topic is the discussion on the second assignment. So let's start our class, students. Everybody please look at the board. This is our second assignment of Bangladesh and Global Studies, and at first the chapter, the assignment is based on chapter 2, Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. This is from chapter 2, and the lesson numbers and topics, these are lesson 1, Introduction to Cultural Diversity in Bangladesh, lesson 2 and 3, Rural and Urban Culture of Bangladesh, and lesson 4, Folk Culture of Bangladesh and its different elements. That means lesson number 1 to 4. For this assignment, we have to follow chapter 2, lesson 1 to 4. Now the assignment. Assignment or assigned tasks. Identify 4 folk cultural elements of your social life and describe how these elements affect your life. This is the assignment. The following points should be taken into consideration while performing this assigned task. Number 1, providing a clear idea of folk culture. Number 2, providing an accurate example of conventional folk culture. And number 3, provide explanations of reflection on the student's own life. That means the assignment is identify 4 folk cultural elements of your social life and describe how these elements affect your life. The following points, these are 3 points. Okay students, now I am discussing about the assignment. At first, this is assignment 2 and your submission date is 28 August 2021. So for submitting this, what you have to do for making the assignment perfect? At first, the cover page, I hope that you have already known that how to prepare the cover page. And in the cover page, you must write your name, class, section, roll number. You can collect the assignment from the school or you can make it by yourself. That's up to you, but you have to maintain some special things, that your name, class, section, roll number, and the subject of the assignment. You must mention this, and the assignment topic. Students, for writing the assignment topic, you have to write the chapter's name. That means chapter 2, Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. This is our assignment topic. If you write in the school's cover page, there is a point that assignment topic, and there you have to write chapter 2, Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh, the chapter's title. Okay, this is your assignment topic. Now we are talking about the assignment. In the assignment, it is already mentioned that write 4 folk cultural elements of your social life and describe how these elements affect your life. So, for writing this, and that means you have to write 4 cultural elements and the impact of these 4 cultural elements in your life. And for writing this, in the assignment, it is already provided that some instructions that providing a clear idea of folk culture, providing an accurate example of conventional folk culture, provide explanations of reflection on the student's own life. For writing it, at first you have to write some sentences about the folk culture or something about folk culture. That means what is folk culture? You have to mention this at first. For writing the assignment, at first you have to write something about folk culture. Then some examples of folk culture. At first write something about folk culture and then the examples of folk culture. Now the thing that is elements. There are different types of folk cultural elements. At first you have to identify this. There are materialistic elements, non-materialistic elements, and under these two types of term there are lots of elements named. Out of these different types of lots of elements, you can select any four. You have to just write this and then the impact these elements in your life. So these are the points, and students no need to write number 1, 2 and 3 and 4 for these 4 items. You can write in different types of paras. Like folk culture, just one para. Example, the second para also you can write this, or you can write this example with the folk culture, these paras. Then the elements, the different para, and the impact, the different para. For writing these elements you can mention 1, 2, 3, 4 also if you want, that's up to you actually. And this is the impact on your life, that means the student life. These elements, this is the impact of actually these 4 elements in your life. And your submission date is students 28th August 2021. I think you have already understood, you have got some information, the ideas that how you will write this assignment. I think you have already got the proper idea for writing this assignment. Students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well. Allah Hafiz.